Part 2 of the 1968 Bel Air restoration. We're back on it hard and heavy. Slapping the Bondo to her. Ah, yeah. It's not gonna be long. It's not gonna be green and white no more. This bitch is gonna be murdered out. Look at that trunk lid. God, that thing's smooth. What do you think, little Sean?
This motherfucker be silver. Huh. Send it all the way down like it looks up here.
Is that what you think?
You ever seen a silver car before? Chrome car?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, it is.
It's blinding.
I want to make this all black and slam it.
And slam that bitch. You heard it here first, folks.
Oh, that's the
We want to paint it back black and slam this bitch.
Bondo man over there.
Let's go see what the Bondo man's doing.
Slapping more Bondo on.
This man loves his Bondo, folks. Look at the master working his craft. Oh yeah, we ain't fucking around. Oh yeah, this thing ain't gonna be green for long, folks.
It's gonna be blood murder.
1968 Bel Air V8 automatic 4-door, and just ate up with badassness.
We got a radio that works. Yes,
Turn the key on. Let's check this shit out. Oh man, he's freaking out. The radio works. Do you know how to work that thing, young man?
Yes, sir.
We'll be back later with part 3 of the finishing touches of the restoration before we get completely murdered out in this motherfucker. Some men just dream of doing something like this. We're fucking doing the shit.
Just putting it on there.
We're not dreamers, we're doers in this motherfucker.
That's right.
I mean, Chip Foose ain't got nothing on my man right here. Sean Graw on his body work. I mean, Chip Foose, eat your heart out, buddy. Go on back to school.
Got it.
What do you think, Sean?
It's gonna be a beauty. It's
Oh.
gonna be murdered out. Murdered out.
We're taking her all the way home later this afternoon.
Yep. It'll be night and day next pictures.
Get a good look at this, folks, because it ain't gonna look like this much longer.